Hello everyone, how are you today? I'm enjoying my Sunday and looking forward to chatting with you guys about how to switch to a natural deodorant. Now, the common complaint is that natural deodorants don't work because they make you stink, and yes, that is true. They do make you stink, and there is going to be a transition period because you see, after decades of using traditional deodorants, there is an imbalance in the microbes in our armpits. And when we stop using a traditional deodorant and switch it for a natural one, it's like the armpit is like, now I can finally breathe, I can finally sweat, and all the bacteria, they're like, yay, we can just like proliferate. And that's exactly what happens. For instance, you think about antiperspirants, and they have aluminium, and what aluminium does is basically blocks the pore so that there is no sweat. And when you switch from an antiperspirant to a natural deodorant, you can finally start sweating, which is the body's natural thing to do, right? It's a natural process to sweat. And when you first start sweating, first when the bacteria multiplies, there is going to be a stink. I switched to natural deodorant way back in 2018, and it took me like a month for everything to get normalized. I was like, where's the smell coming from? And it just turned out to be me. It was horrible. So it's a natural process that will happen. And you know what? This is the right time to switch to a natural deodorant, because it's not like you're going out, you're meeting someone special, it's not like you have a date planned or anything. You are in your house and free to stink as much as you can or you want to, right? Now, how can you hasten the process? Now, one thing you can do is pit masking, which is basically you take bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar and water, mix it and apply it on your armpits. You can also give yourself an armpit facial, which is basically Himalayan pink salt and virgin coconut oil, and you just apply it on your armpits. I mean, you scrub your armpits with it, then wash it off, and then apply a pit mask. Now, this virgin coconut oil, Himalayan pink salt, I heard was used by a couple of healers to kind of detoxify the lymph, but this is just hearsay. I am a sucker for all these kind of natural, organic, whatever things, these rituals, and I enjoy doing it. So first scrub, then mask. Just like you treat your face, you treat your armpits, okay? Now, the deodorant, which is my absolute favorite, is the Juicy Chemistry Organic Deodorant Stick. Now, there are a few reasons. One is that it comes in a stick form. It doesn't come in like a tub where I have to like dip my fingers, and then not a big fan of that. Then secondly, this is just like paper. There's no plastic used in this packaging, which is fantastic. And most importantly, it actually works, because despite the transition period, despite the pit masking, there are certain deodorants that just don't work. This actually works. And fourthly, this is certified organic. They have EcoCert certification, which means you get what you're paying for. They're not just saying they're organic, they're actually organic. And and yes, they are also a waterless brand. If you Google waterless beauty, you will see that it's a big trend internationally. A lot of the big brands are going waterless, and they have started as a waterless brand, basically to conserve natural resources and whatever else. So that's my take on Juicy Chemistry. Organic deodorant stick in blood orange and geranium is the one that I've been using. This is my second stick in however much time. I really like it. Try transitioning, because this is a good time to do it. So happy stinking and happy transitioning. See you next time.